I wanted to learn Yiddish language when I was writing my master's thesis, because in our archives we have a lot of documents, like, I don't know, and it's a pity that very few people can use them, and especially historians, because we have so many documents, but either people who know Jewish either are Jews and they're not historians, they work something else, or they're historians but they don't know Yiddish. So those papers are just lying there and no one uses them. Some of the documents, when I was writing my bachelor's, and after 2 years I was writing my master's, so when I came to the archives, I saw that the last time those papers were seen by me 2 years ago. No one touches them. So I wanted to, that my master's thesis that I could write about things that no one did before, and to show at least some parts of those documents. And I took some classes. Akvilė Grigoravičiūtė, maybe you know her, she was also in summer program. She gave me a few lessons because at the time I couldn't manage to go to the program. So she gave me a few lessons, and I was able to find the documents that I need and to translate them with the vocabulary and to use them when I was writing. And after that, I got a possibility to go to the summer program, and I decided that as I wanted to do that, and I started, so I should just continue and to learn it properly.